My name is Evgeniya Popova. I work for Positive Technologies as International Business Director. So today we are at GISEC, and here we present the solution which we called SOC Autopilot or Max Patrol O2. The main idea about this solution actually is to substitute humans from SOC operations. And we introduced it just recently in Russian market, and now this is the first time we show it to the Middle East market, having this opportunity to be a part of GISEC event. And this solution is about SOC Autopilot. So what does it mean? So Max Patrol 2 is about SOC automation, and it helps companies to achieve cyber resilience. How do we understand that the company is cyber resilient? Actually, we need to measure two parameters. One is time to response, and the other is time to attack. And our solution helps to dramatically reduce time to response. How do we achieve it? We achieve it basically by three main points. One point is that the solution helps to avoid all blind spots for SOC operators. So it absolutely 100% is visible what is going on inside the infrastructure. And you know, the greatest challenge that business have nowadays is that SOC operators, these are very rarely met talents nowadays, and people who work as SOC operators, after half a year, they want to shift to some other duties, and they want to replace their job duties. So combination of these two factors, people are rare to find and rare to actually motivate to keep going on working for a longer time, brings us to the idea that it's basically not necessary to develop more talents in the region. It's more properly to actually substitute those people with automated tools. And our solution actually does this thing. So we bring technology that helps SOC operators to focus only on important incidents. And the second thing about how we do it is that the solution automatically processes all alerts that are happening inside the infrastructure. It not just count them, it builds chains starting from what are the course of the incidents, how it was spread inside the company infrastructure, showing the operator what are the attacking assets, what are under attack, and what was captured already, so the operator can done meaningful decision in a very productive and short period of time. The last thing about this solution is not actually automated detection, it's actually automated response. So once you see the incidents, the solution can highlight if there is something which requires attention, and we dramatically reduce false positives that operators normally produce and work. And the second thing, sometimes it can work absolutely automatic. So if you put it as automatic scenario, then the solution will block the incidents without human intervention. That's why we call Max Patrol O2 as autopilot for SOC. Basically, one can protect everything, or one can protect only what is necessary to keep protected. And our approach to result-driven cybersecurity is exactly about putting the goals right. So first, we talk with our customers and helping them to identify what they need to avoid in their businesses, what are the critical processes, technological or business-wise, that they really can harm their business, not just to a particular extent, but actually can result into their business interoperability. And for us, it's important to not just avoid incidents. Incidents are happening every day, but it's important to help customers to build cybersecurity in a way that their companies can be sure that non-tolerable events cannot happen. And this is the philosophy that we bring to the market. We educate about it our partners, our customers, so they understand why they need to invest into that or this solution. What is their profit from this solution? And we help our customers to address answers and issues like, are we secure in every period of time? Are we under attack right now? If there is an accident, what measures should be taken? Shall we call for a decision if there is an incident happen? So this type of issues is easily addressed when the customer implements our approach to cyber security, which we called result-driven cybersecurity? That's a good question, because for us it was also a kind of challenge to offer something which is acceptable for general public. Plus, we understand that it should not be just for fun. It should be really educational for the purpose of like common citizens and common people to understand how cybersecurity is spread in every aspect of our life. And what we'd like to actually highlight having these workshops is that hackers are actually the people who can bring your company to real damage. These are people who don't follow rules. They do their own kind of experiments. And this nature of and willing to have experiments bring us to the situation when companies can lose their businesses. And we think that if we, as companies whose vision is to protect, will help to not just follow particular guidelines, but help to understand how enemy acts. And by enemy, I mean real bad actors who can hack your infrastructure. That will help you to develop the right strategies for protection. So our workshop is actually practical oriented, and we want people to sit and think about, hi, this is the things that can happen with me anytime. So what shall I do differently for my company in order my organization benefits from security, not just on paper or compliance or something which is not measurable, but in the practical aspect. And this practical aspect correlates very well with our approach to result-driven cybersecurity, because everything is based on practice. So if you cannot be hacked by real people, by real white hat hackers, it means you are protected. This is our motto, and we tried to convince it to the public that attends GISEC.